Hello, hello, hello. Are you new at digital marketing, graphics, and design? Do you want help at any of these things? Video and animation, music and audio? Well, in this video, I will be doing a full review of Fiverr. And on Fiverr, you can get anything you need to help you if you're just starting out or if you're already doing this but you're a bit slow in certain areas. Here is where you can come to get all your work done practically for free. All right, so I want to say watch the video till the end, and thank you to all of my subscribers. We're at 240 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you so much. I can't explain how much gratitude I'm feeling right now. I do not have words to explain my gratitude to you guys. All right, so thank you very much. Keep watching the videos, and there will be a lot more coming out. So let's jump into the video. Fiverr is an online platform which, if you want help, as I said, in graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music, and much more. Whether it's business, it doesn't matter, alright? So if you notice, if you come here on graphics and design, they got a lot of different subtitles you can also choose from. So if you want a specific work done in graphic and design, you can search here and you will potentially find the person you need. It's the same with digital marketing and all the other services that they provide. Wherever you want help, you can come here and you can find different subtitles of what you definitely need. If you want to search a different way, you can come here and search. You can click for whatever you want and you will find it right here. All right. And if you want to make money from Fiverr, otherwise, you can refer to get up to $100. All right. So every 5 person you refer, Fiverr will be paying you $100 once they stay on their platform and they keep using their platform. Alright, so please do sign up to Fiverr. I'm gonna leave a link where you can sign up and I will be getting my $100. Thank you in advance. Alright, back to the video, although we're still in it. Anyways, if for instance you want to have your YouTube thumbnail sorted out, you can do it, but you know you're not that good. You can come here, you can type in YouTube thumbnail, alright, and you will be getting a wide range of persons that offer YouTube thumbnail, starting from $5 upward, alright. On Fiverr, the sellers, they start from $5 upward, and they don't do no numbers in between 5. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20 upwards, all right? They don't do 23 or 24. It has to do something with 5. So as you're seeing here, these are some wonderful persons that is willing to do custom thumbnails for you, starting from $5. So if you want, say for instance, you're interested in this person here, you would click to open to see more about what they're providing. Normally, whatever you see on the outside is just their basic pricing. Normally, they got 3 different set of pricing. Some do and some don't. With this person, she only offers one pricing here, and as you can see, it's a basic pricing. I want to go back and show you other persons that is offering from different standard price as well. So this is someone here with 3 different basic price, and this is how it normally set. Some person, they just have one standard price, but as you can see here, this person have a basic, a standard, and also a premium price package. All right. So with their basic package, you will be paying $10 for every thumbnail. Their standard is $15. Their premium is $25. And with every different offer, as you can see that they provide something else, and you can check them out once you're interested in working with them, and that's how it simply goes like that. All right, so you search for whatsoever you want and you find the persons and you go ahead, you purchase once you want to, and I really like that. The thing though, what I don't like, as a seller on Fiverr, they take 20% of everything that you make. I got no problem there because they have to make their money. But there's also a method where the buyers can tip the sellers, and they also take some of the money that the buyers is tipping the seller, plus they got a service charge also. So it's just kind of too much. But anyways, that's Fiverr, and let's show you how it works from the seller perspective. So I'm gonna switch over here, and here it is. This is my dashboard. As you can see, I'm currently at 0, 0, 0. All right, but don't watch that. I'm just showing you how it works. All right, so this is my dashboard, and this is messaging. This is gig. All right, so I'm gonna bring you to the gig, and they're gonna show you the gig I'm providing. All right, so this is my gig. As you can see, this month I got 11 impressions, no click, no orders as yet, and this is what I'm offering. I do logo design, so if you want a nice logo design, you can also hit me up and I'll do that for you. All right, and this is the next way you can find a way how you can get persons to potentially spend money with you for doing their offers. All right, you can come to buyers requests and find if anyone put up a request wanting logos, and you can contact that person saying, hey, I can build logo. Well, right now there is no request, but you can contact the persons whenever there is request saying, hey, I can do this for you, and potentially they will give you a try, and that's how it works. All right, so this is from the buyer side. You can have up to 7 gigs. I only have 1 at the moment, so I need to get 6 more put on this to get potential customers. So I'm gonna take you to Fiverr page right here, where they're showing you work your way, bring the skills, and we will make earning easy. All right, so you can click here to become a seller, and you can view more that's going on here. They're showing you about their gigs. They're showing you everything that's going on. They're pricing from $5,000 to $10,000, and transformations 50 million plus, and a gig is bought every 4 seconds. All right, so Fiverr is really kicking it, and if you want help, as I said, this is somewhere where you should come. And I want to ask you, please subscribe and make my channel expand a bit more. All right, so you can go ahead, you can scroll and see all that's going on here, how it works. They're showing you how it works. They're showing you all of how you can get paid, how persons get their delivery, and everything so forth. So check Fiverr out, give them a try. They got a large audience, which you are not worried about anything. Some of what they provide is a bit saturated, but all you need to do is find the right thing, promote, and make a nice gig, and you will be making money. All right, so this is the full review, and thank you for checking in. If you haven't subscribed, please do come again for more review videos on how you can make money online, and also ways of how you can kick it and make a lot of money as well. All right, so thank you again, as I said, for tuning in, and come again soon.